How you doing? My name's Ty Conklin. This is my bus. It's a short bus. I'll take you on a tour. Won't take me just a second.
Is that the name of the bus?
The name is Erradic Nomadics. My son came up with that. While I was out on several of my trips, I would send him pictures of all the places I was at, and one day he said, "Dad, you got 200 people on Instagram." I said, "I don't have Instagram, son. I don't know what you're talking about." He started an Instagram page for me, and so that was his name. And it kind of sticks because you never know where the hell I'm at or what I'm doing.
Yep.
But we've had it for 2 years. I kind of stole the idea from him. He was a traveling welder, and we was going to make him a skoolie. And then he found him a woman he wanted to get married to, and got a job in town. So I stole his idea. So I'm out driving around having a good time. So come on in, let me show you around. This is it. Getting ready to make some cornbread for Candy Cox next door for dinner. But it's got a full-size Tempur-Pedic mattress, which is as comfortable as at home. I've got a 2-burner camp stove that slides in and out. That makes it handy. And then I've got my fridge also on a slider like that. It's a winter 45 quart. We've got 200 watts of solar on the top, and I've got 4 240 watt batteries, or 40 amp hour batteries. And we instead of a butcher block countertop, we just took some 2x12s and made it ourselves. And my son-in-law actually did this final version. The first version I had a whiskey barrel, which looked cool, but whiskey barrels do not stand up to run up down dirt roads. Yeah. All the staves got loose, and it was just pretty bad. But we
always tell people it's like you're driving an earthquake.
But it looked so cool. It had a hand beaten copper, sink in it. It looked good, but it just didn't work for shit. But my Berkey water, which is a lifesaver, to me that's just as good as it gets to be able to have clean water. And then my son gave me the Adventure Weights chalkboard there, and it's been a good 2 years of just piddling with it.
Yep.
And it's comfortable. I was worried about getting claustrophobic, if it's all cluttered up, but we made it where it's all open, and if you get 2 or 3 rainy days in a row, it doesn't just kill me to sit in here, but it's not that bad. And we put that ARB awning on it, so it got a little bit of cover outside.
Sure.
But no, this is it. It's exactly the right size for a single guy. 2 people, I think it'd be crowded.
Yep.
But we set it up simple. This is a rear seat out of a Suburban, an '89 Suburban. So it folds up, and I've got all my inverter stuff behind it. Then under the bed, or under the couch, is where I've got the 4 240 amp hour batteries. Yep. So it works out great for me. Yeah. That's about the extent of this tour.
Well, like you said, short buses, short tours.
And it's nice to meet you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And you said you're on Instagram.
Instagram.
What's the?
It's Erradic Nomadics. I don't think I have a Facebook or anything, but on Instagram it's just Erradics.
Oh, check
Erradic
with your
Nomadics.
Son. Check with your son. You probably have.
Yeah, right. That's his domain, not mine.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Hope you enjoyed that video, and remember, there'll be another one next Saturday. So please tell your friends and hit the subscribe button, and give me a thumbs up if you liked it. All right, see you next time, YouTube. Bye.